Alright guys, welcome back to Task Force Offroad. In this episode, we're going to be doing the springs. I'm going to attempt to learn to weld and a few other little odds and ends there because we have a lot of stuff to do. I messed up a little bit. You'll see me mess up a little bit, and that's why I have to do a bunch of other stuff. But yeah, stay tuned. This is going to be a good one. This whole rebuild project, I'm doing a lot of things over and a better way than I did the first time, just because I found things that don't work as well. And one of those things is going to be the studs on my tire carrier. They came with the JK bolt pattern of, I believe it's 12 millimeters by 1.5, is not 14 millimeters 1.5. So I couldn't use the lug nuts I had on the Jeep. It just made things a big pain in the ass. So I'm going to use these lug nuts that I bought, or studs that I bought that they're the same, but the problem is they don't fit in the hole, so I have to elongate that, and that's what I got my trusty dusty step bit for. So I'm gonna take this really freaking slowly, and I'm gonna try and not ruin this. So yep, that's where I'm at. Also, new rear bumper, so that's coming on soon. I have it, and yeah, let's send it. Also, like, Plan B. Alright guys, new day. I messed up. I drilled a hole too big, so now I have to get some stuff to fix it, and it's gonna involve my welder, so I don't know how to do that, and this is gonna be a steep learning curve. And I also need an air hammer because I'll explain more later, but I'm not in a bad mood, but I'm also not in the best mood. I'm definitely irritated, mostly with myself. So stay tuned. We're keeping at it. I'm all sorts of annoyed. Things still don't want to work properly. Might be able to make it work. It's gonna be semi-dangerous. Don't try this at home. So got an air hammer, which is a fantastic tool, but for some reason the spring retainer won't. Like, I tried cleaning up the threads with it. It doesn't want to go in all the way. So that's great. I need to turn down the air pressure here, actually. I think it's too much. That should be good. Okay. So I'm gonna try and just apply good pressure to this to get this to seat all the way, because I can't get it to seat all the way. So we're gonna try the air hammer and see if that works. It should work. The question is, since I can't get it to retain properly, yeah, so I'm gonna get some iPro and I'm gonna try and see if this will work without breaking anything or myself. Whew. Okay, so long story short, I drilled out one of these holes
too big. So this one I can't get in enough, and this one, well, that's, yeah, you see the problem. So I am going to attempt to learn how to weld right now, and by practicing on this and try and weld this bolt together, this is gonna be quite the learning curve. Just gonna give it a shot, see what happens. Stuck again. Alright guys, we're finally doing the springs here. I don't know what I put in this video or what I haven't put in this video, so you already possibly saw me trying to learn how to weld and probably epically failing at it because I haven't really gotten that down yet. But we're getting there, so we're finally doing the springs. We're starting with the fronts. Like I said before, I'm not really doing a how-to with this. We're just kind of getting at it. My cousin Necto is here. You guys know him if you remember the jet ski videos, the rebuild on that. So he's giving me a hand here, because he hasn't really worked on vehicles too much and he wants to learn. So we're gonna kick it real fast and just get after it.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Tape my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the crowd.
Alright guys, so we're almost finished with the front here. It took a little longer, so we had to go pick up some spring compressors because I didn't want to take a bunch of stuff off because I'm kind of lazy. So we did that route. And now we're gonna get the new ones in. So yeah, we're at it. Alright, so we've been taking our time, guys. We got the front done, and we're about to start the back right now, but this is how high I wanted it to be, so I'm very happy with this right now. It looks good. So now to work in the back. I don't feel like emptying this car, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm not doing a how-to kind of thing, so I'm probably not gonna film much of this. I'm just gonna check in. So finished result. That 1 inch makes all the difference in the world. That's what she said. Nah, it came out great, guys. Huge thanks to Necto over there for coming and giving me a hand with this. Let's be real, he did most of the work because he wanted to learn some stuff, so yeah, he did most of the work. So much appreciated. Thanks, buddy. I mean, we'll find out if I try to go get coffee tomorrow morning and the wheel falls off, and I'll yell at you. All right, guys, that is it for today's video. Like, share, comment, subscribe, do all that typical stuff. I appreciate it. If you made it this far in the video, I highly suggest subscribing to the channel because there's going to be more content like this coming along. The rebuild's coming. Hopefully the new fenders will be in here soon, so I'll be taking that fender off, swapping this fender. I have my inner fenders here. I'm waiting till the fenders come in to put those on, but I'll be painting the fenders myself. I'll be painting the inner fenders more than likely. And yeah, it's gonna be a real fun project, guys. I hope you stick around to watch it. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
But it's too late now. I remember you and me, and how careless we could be.
All day and all night, we'd stay up, it felt so right.